Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Well, I'm having to record on my phone, so I hope this works out good. My camera batteries are just not holding charge at all, and so I'm gonna have to use my phone. And we're gonna be unboxing my Mishibox. It's a Korean beauty box, and it is $19.95 plus $5.95 shipping, so it's $25.90 a month. And they tell you the prices, and they also give instructions on here because these products are in a different language, so it's nice that they give instructions and what they're for and everything. Okay, so let's get started. First, we have a Aqua Mask, and it says it is Falsies. It's F-A, there it is, F-A-S-C-Y. So, Falsies or Falsies? I don't know. But it says Aqua Collagen Masks are super cute and super effective at the same time. They contain niacinamide, I don't know if I said that right, to brighten skin, and betaine, adeno something, and sodium hyaluronate all help to increase elasticity. And the retail price is $3. Okay, and then we have is that Eliza Vecca? I don't know if that's how you say that or not, but it's a goggles eye lock-in Aqua Mask, biocellulose. It says that it rejuvenates the skin around your eyes using ingredients such as donkey milk and coconut milk. It also contains ingredients such as niacinamide, glycerin, and collagen to increase elasticity, hydrate skin. And this is $3. Okay, next we have a Pure Derm Soft and Mild Eye Makeup Remover Pads. Gently and effectively remove eye makeup, even waterproof mascara. No oily residue, non-stinging. Won't irritate sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. And there's 30 moist pads. And these have out in the parentheses if they're full size, and it shows that this is full size, and it's $6. Okay, then we have a Wonder Tea Tree Spot Gel, calming and soothing, trouble control, skin relaxing liquid gel. It says the Duran New Wonder Tea Tree Spot Gel gives you clear, moisturized skin by protecting it from external irritants and stimulation. Tea tree oil reduces inflammation, and white willow bark extract helps control excessive sebum production. And this is $15. See what this, such a pretty color, aqua color. It says after cleansing affected area, dab small amount directly on blemishes. So I should put it on pimples. Oh, don't smell too good. It has a wand like lip gloss. So that would be neat to use, you know, if you get a pimple. It has an odd smell to it. I can't describe it. I mean, it don't smell real good, but it's not just like really stinky. Okay, next we have a MakeOn super long lasting waterproof gel pencil liner. You get so many eyeliners. It says the MakeOn super long lasting waterproof gel pencil eyeliner probably doesn't need any more of a description since its long name says it all. But you should know that we love these eyeliners for their rich pigment as well as their long lasting quality. Varieties include black, pearl black, brown, burgundy, gold, beige, purple, deep blue, khaki, peach, and cocoa. And this is $10. I got the Sexy Vampire Burgundy. So that's something different, because usually I always get black. I've never had a burgundy eyeliner before. I'll do a swatch of it. Yeah, that's real creamy and pigmented. So I'll definitely try that out. And the last thing in here is some mirror. And it's by that mirror. It has kind of like a film on it. I don't even think I would use that to get all dirty in your purse because I don't have no cover for the mirror. There's 4 kinds you could have got. And it says they are $6, and I got that one. It's cute, though. So that's it for my Mishibox. Oh, I actually figured it all up this time, what this would come up to, and it's $43. So after shipping and everything, you pay $25.90, but this box had a value of $43. I'm usually pretty happy with everything that I get. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.